We got this new toy from Costco. Before we open up, basahin muna natin kung ano yung mga nakasulat dito sa box. It says ages 6 and above, skill level, super easy, and then it says here built-in motion sensors. Just raise your hand to guide the UFO. And it says here fun to play with friends, safe for indoor play, no remote needed, operates via hand command. So the name of the product is the original Hover Star. So it says here down, responds to hand movement, simply toss into the air to begin, ultra stable performance. At the back, it says the same thing. So sabi dito, indestructible outer shell. Let's see. Makikita natin yan kung totoo. Charges only in 30 minutes. Plus, ito sabi dito, motion sensors, obstacle avoidance, bright LED illumination, ultra stable flight, auto shut off. The UFO power shut off or powers off automatically after long periods of inactivity for added safety. So I think these are the sensors. This is the sensor. Yeah, this is the lower part, and these small black buttons here or lights, those are the side buttons, side sensors. So there are, on the sides there are 1, 2, 3, 4 sensors, plus the sensor on the bottom equals 5. So that's the switch, you can see there. Okay, let's go ahead and open it so the kids can play.
So this is the actual toy. There are more stuff inside.
So inside the box, there's a cable, that's the charger, and then instruction manual. I'll show you the switch. So there's a small switch on and off there. Are you ready, guys? This is the charging port. I-on mo siya, and then hagis natin sa hangin. So all you have to do is of course turn on the switch here, and then there's a light, then hagis mo siya pataas. There you go. Boom. Yan. So hindi siya mahuhulog kasi meron siyang sensor sa baba. Let's try to control the side. There you go. Let's change direction. So it's cool. Makikita nyo, hindi siya nahuhulog. There you go. I-direct, pupunta natin doon sa kanila. Joey, look, oh. So bago pa dumikit yung kamay mo sa ilalim, lilipad sa pataas eh. Ayan, oh, kita nyo. Unti-unti siya bababa.